What is up, my YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage here on the platform. And of course, welcome back for another amazing detail here on Prey for Snow Auto Detailing. My name is Beat and I am so excited that you are here hanging out in the interior of this Ford F250 Super Duty. We have to do the interior, and the biggest thing is, do you ever or have you ever had a car that just stinks? Have you ever purchased a car or maybe had something spill in your car and it just smells so nasty? This customer purchased this beautiful F250 and it had been smoked in, and I've been told it stinks really bad. So I am going to show you what I do to make sure that the customer's car smells amazing. And it's definitely a process because you have to work on a lot of stuff, but we're going to make it smell amazing and we're going to make it look even more incredible than it does right now. I think the seat extractions are going to be sick. I'm really pumped for the seat extractions and of course all the plastic cleaning and stuff to make sure the smell is completely gone. Let's go to work. I actually, in pulling out that rear mat, I may be quite shocked how dirty this actually is, because you can tell, let me get a better angle, hold on. All right, there's two spots I want to look at right now. There is this area back here. Do you see how there's this line through the filth? It kind of looks like they maybe just ran a vacuum over it really, really fast, and that's all they did, because look up here too. Let me get the seat up. Better. See, black line, and the rest of this is kind of dirty. I may have underestimated how these carpets are, and black carpets hide the filth anyway. Let's look. These floor mats really may have been hiding more than I thought. Look at this. It's almost like the carpet's rubbed or something. Let's see what happens when we vacuum it. Not a drastic change, but we'll see how it looks after carpet cleaning. I hope it's not burned. I hope it's just something really stuck on there. Fingers crossed. Totally spaced this in the introduction, but part of the reason, the main reason we're detailing this vehicle is stank. And they've got some doTERRA, which is a essential oils company here in Utah. They make smelly stuff. Obviously, health. I'm just gonna say smelly stuff. This is for smell. They've got pine little trees in the front, not peachy peach. Shame on them, but it's all for smell. So priority, stank. Cleaning the carpets does a couple of things. It definitely helps to kill all of those odors, as well as it makes them look awesome. The carpets, the seats, everything that is fabric, carpet cleaning does really well. I have the Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Carpet Cleaner, as well as Durabrush, Sandia Carpet Extractor, and it's pretty much it. That's it. Do you ever wake up with a song in your head? A couple of days ago, somebody asked me a question, and while I was looking up their answer for their question during the day, I woke up that whole morning with, do you remember Akon's, I think it's called Right Na 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 Na? I woke up with the Punk Goes Pop version from Fearless Records. Their version by Asking Alexandria is just a cover of that Akon song, and when I answered my homie, I said, yeah, I'll look that up for you right now, nah. And they didn't get the reference, which is sad, but kind of hilarious at the same time. I couldn't help it. It was in my head when I woke up. I can't tell you how pumped I am that this area right here wasn't actually damaged. I mean, it's not perfect, but there was a ton of stuff that extracted out of there. I was nervous that something maybe hot had been laid there because it looked like the fibers were melted, but not really melted. I know it's probably hard to see, but it came out really well. So excited. We have two goals with the plastic cleaning. We want to make them look so awesome. And of course, remove the stink. We're going to use Express Interior Cleaner from P&S. Whoop-bam, nailed the name. And I've got detailing brushes and microfiber towels. Steam cleaner is almost warmed up, and we're going to just work on the interior. Luckily, the floor mats are, I think they're either, maybe if they're not brand new, they're very, very close to brand new. So we'll clean those. We don't need to pressure wash those. We're just gonna clean those with the regular cleaning equipment. And since the goal of the detail is to remove the stank, we're going to spray the steam really hard into all of the vents like I do on all the details. It seems to help with some of that stuff down the line. I've already warned the customer that even after the ozone generator is put in there at the end of the detail, they may have to change out the interior cabin air filter. There are definitely times when I start playing with detailing that I need to be saved from myself, and pushing all of that filth to the other side with the steam cleaner probably should have been saved from myself. Man, I am so pumped up. That turned out so awesome, and it was a ton of fun to do. Surprisingly so. Well, I guess not surprising. I love what I do. This is fun. CarPro Pearl. I've got an applicating pad, this, and microfiber towel. Running down through the list. This guy, and a detailing brush. I'm gonna cut zoom over there. Cut zoom is not actually a thing. I have thrown out the recommendation before that if you have a product that you like that you want to see me try, or that you have a product that you want to test out that you haven't before, hit me up in the comments below, because I really do try and take those things under advisement. But somebody commented when I posted, I think it was one of the shorter clips of me detailing, or excuse me, dressing one of the floor mats. I don't remember which vehicle. I do a lot of videos, but they said you should use Meguiar's 40. So I've got it, and I'm gonna use it on the floor mats. I've used it on my Jeep floor mats and it worked okay. I'm still on the fence. I love Carpro Pearls so much that my loyalties are hard to shake in that aspect. However, I do wanna say one thing. This recommends not putting it on the seat of a motorcycle or an ATV or anything like that. I am here to tell you that yes, back in the day, I armor-alled my dirt bike seat. Was it awful the first ride? Absolutely. Did I keep doing it? Yes. Why? Because it looks so great. Cleaning window time, I've got streak free from the chemical guys, a microfiber towel, and this keychain from Puerto Rico. Doesn't spin very well. Oh, there we go. Fun story about this keychain. I went to Puerto Rico with a couple homies, the trio we called ourselves. Me and two of my best friends went before I actually met my beautiful wife. We went to Puerto Rico. I brought this back for my mother, and after she passed, I looked through her things and I found it, so now it's in the garage. It's a cool keychain. I want to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for letting me detail the interior of your 250. I really, really hope that that smoke smell is completely gone. I'm fairly confident that it is, but I also hope that you like this video and you love the rest of the detail. I absolutely love detailing, and I also love the support, and thank you for hanging out. Subscribe, another video, want to detail with me, head on down and detail that like button.